5, not all.
Over there.
Yeah. It's electric.
So it means they will be scared to go here?
Yep.
To be
No,
closer?
you can go very close.
It's a little bit grounded.
You feel it, yeah.
Hindi ako guys pwedeng lumapit ng maigi at mag-ground ako. Ang lawak ng kanilang farm. Yung mga bahay parang may mga grass ay cabin. Paupahan nila. Hey! Ang cute na mga babies. Hi! Hi!
Oh. It's chasing us, you see that?
Ayan din ay rent na cabin. Ayun yung gamit namin. Ayun pa sa taas meron pa silang 3 cabin doon. Baba tayo guys, sa baba tingnan natin yung river.
I'm feeling what to do. It's your last day.
Ulo!
That's my budget.
I will not go closer. Naghalo na yung snow tsaka yung lake. Lakas ng tubig. Ito guys, ang ano dito sa area ito, parang history. Yan, may English. Narinig nyo guys? 6,000 years old daw ito. Stone. May mga marking.
I think this thing is back in home.
Tae daw to ng moose.
It's dry.
Dry?
This is right. It's not.
It's almost like it was still smelling. Straight down now.
A2.
Right. Maybe all right, not too bad. Ito yung isang room. Sarado pa, tulog pa sila. Hey, good morning, Panda. Ito ang morning view namin.
2 hours later.
Beautiful. This is the old one or the new one? This is the old church. Tapos ayun ang new one. The old one, the new one. And this is the new one. This is the tunnel.
Go in the middle so you can see.
This tunnel is a little bit scary. 1992?
Oh, that didn't have road. But they made it. A mistake. So if you look, it's going to get even steeper. There's nothing wrong with it. It's safe. But it's amongst the steepest tunnels that exist. The engineer made a mistake. You don't see it when we go out again. You can see how steep